Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. You're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. On this platform, I share lessons, trading patterns, trading strategies, my trade setups that I'm looking out for, and also tips to help you improve as a trader. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to catch this setup on AUDCHF. On this channel, I shared a video, a training, a session, a lesson on how to trade support and resistance. And if you haven't watched the video, you need to go watch that video so that you can understand what I'm going to be explaining here, because in that video I explained how to actually trade support and resistance the right way. All right, now I mentioned in that video that when trading a support or resistance level, one of the key things you want to look out for is your candlestick pattern. Now the candlestick, all of these things are candlestick patterns. They represent human behavior and they tell us what exactly is happening on the chart. Now price was dropping downwards at this point and then dropped into a key level of support. You also need to learn how to do all of these things, draw your support and resistance lines. So ensure you go back to that video, watch it, and so you can have a great understanding of how this works. So price taps into a level of support. Now, the next thing you want to look out for is a confirmation to go ahead for that trade, to go ahead and take in that trade. Now, I mentioned that one of the key things you want to look out for, it's a pattern you want to go back test, is looking out for this trading candlestick pattern here. Now, this tells you the psychology behind it is that traders initially were selling, right? So we had sellers come into the market and then pushed price downwards, but the buyers rejected lower prices. Now they rejected to the point that it gave us this long week. So this long week tells us that there's a very high rejection of lower prices, telling us that there are a lot more buyers in the market, especially because it's at a major demand zone. So you want to go ahead to look for your opportunity. It's an opportunity for you to join buyers, right? So this exactly was what I mentioned in that video. And this setup came up, I think, about a week after I made that video on AUDCHA. So this is a live setup, and I also shared it with my community members right here. So look at it right here. This was on the 19th of October. Can you see it? This is it. So look at it. At the time I saw this setup, this is October 19th. I shared it immediately with my team members, and voila, look at how massively it has moved. It has made over 100 pips. And yeah, so this is live example of what I taught. So it's not like I'm coming here to teach you what I have not practiced or what I don't know. So I'm showing you a live example of how this played out. All right. So this has moved over 100 pips, and it's just using that simple pattern of knowing when to spot that level and looking for the opportunity. Look at the same opportunity came up on CAD CHF that same day, 19th of October. Can you see it? Price was at a major level. Even though I didn't draw the line, I already saw it from the historical data. Price was at a major level of demand, of support, and printed this bullish candlestick pattern right here. I narrow it down to smaller time frames to look for an entry, but this is the setup right here. And let's go to the chart. So can you see how clearly it moved? This is CAD CHF. Can you see from this point where that candlestick printed, see all the move it has made? This was even the target area, but it has made a break above this target area and pushing further into this area of resistance. So this is very simple, straight to the point, nothing complicated. You just need to know when to spot it, how to spot it, because the truth is not all of them will really play out as you have planned. But so that's why you need to learn how to really spot it the right way. Okay, I can teach you how to do that in my mentorship program. So you want to join in so that you can be part of the lessons, the training. So this is what I teach you. I'm going to share the technical analysis breakdown. I'm sharing with you high probability trading strategies. Like this one I just shared is a high probability trading strategy if you know how to do it properly. Yeah, so I can teach you how to do that. So you learn how to trade it. You go on smaller time frames to look for an opportunity to enter at the right time, because entry is also very, very important. And that's what I teach in my mentorship program. And then you also learn the major entry methods, which I already talked about: risk management, and you'll be getting personalized guidance from me. If you have questions you want to ask, you can send me a DM directly. And then we have live trading sessions where I come online to share market breakdown with my community members. And this is something you want to be part of. You get community support. Why am I laughing? You get community support, and yeah, you're in good hands. Okay, so you want to sign up? It's $100, and you're welcome to join us at the academy. All right, so this is my Instagram handle. You want to send me a message on Instagram, follow my page, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be sharing more trading opportunities. I'm going to be sharing more insights, more tips on how to help you improve your trading. Yeah, because that's the goal, right? Every trader is looking to be consistently profitable. So in my own way, I'm going to be sharing tips and lessons to help you improve your trading. All right, so ensure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your trader friends. Let's grow this community. If you have questions you want to ask, you can feel free to drop them in the comment section and I will reply them. Okay, so I will see you. I just wanted to show you that this strategy is something you want to go back test, try it out, and let me know how it played out for you. All right, so I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. All right.